I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to Square for payments is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This will show you the current payment options linked to your account. Step 4. Add a new debit card. Look for the option to add a debit card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card information, tap Save to confirm the addition. You should see a confirmation message that your card has been successfully added. Now you're all set to use your debit card with Square for payments. If you run into any issues, just double check the card details for accuracy. Happy selling!